I can't believe he did that. That's some real shit. That's what women do. I'm gonna give you an example. Shaq, you ever having sex? While you having sex, you touch her. You say, babe, turn over. Turn over, babe. You didn't grab her. You didn't throw her over. You didn't body slam her. You said, babe, turn over. But when you do it, she get real dramatic. She go overboard. Turn over, babe. She starts saying shit that you wasn't even thinking. All you said was turn over. She started to verbally put her nasty shit on you. Turn over, babe. Oh my God, don't put your fingers in my butt. What? What you say? What you say, baby? Oh my God, you gonna put your fingers in my butt? No, baby, I'm not about to. You gonna put 2 fingers in there? No, that's not my thing. Just get the lube out the top drawer next to my panties. The lube? Bitch, when we get lube in the house? This bitch done undercoverly hid lube in the house, bitch? That's what women do. You put your nasty shit on men. But I'm gonna tell you something. Men, we only got a certain level of fucking nasty. I'm gonna talk to y'all, Shanti, because y'all here, okay? Okay? You fucking here. That's my nigga. It's my motherfucking man, pots and pans. He only got a certain level of nasty. Like, y'all got some years in now. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you. His first year, he was the shit. You was turned out. His creativity was fucking amazing. He was like, baby, get out the car, get ass naked, get on the hood. I'm gonna put a brick on the gas pedal, make the car drive slow. I'm about to ghost ride your ass.